Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Just Speech English podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Lily. And today, oh yes, you're in for something big. 150 sentences for restaurants' English conversation.
If you want to sound confident, natural, and fluent at any restaurant, cafe, diner, steakhouse, buffet, today's episode is your new best friend.
And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, leave a friendly comment, and share this episode with someone who loves eating out as much as we do.
Which is a lot. Segment 1. Arriving at the restaurant.
Let's start with useful sentences when you arrive.
Here we go. Repeat them in your mind. 1. Hi. Table for 2, please. 2. We have a reservation under the name blank. 3. Is there a waiting list? 4. How long is the wait? 5. Could we sit outside? 6. Is the patio open today? 7. Can we sit by the window? 8. Do you have a booth available? 9. Could we have a quiet table? 10. We don't mind waiting. 11. Is the restaurant still serving breakfast? 12. Are you open for dinner? 13. Can I take a look at the menu first? 14. Do you have high chairs for kids? 15. Is there space for a stroller? 16. Do you have vegan options? 17. Do you have gluten-free dishes? 18. Is the chef here today? 19. What time do you close? 20. Thank you. This table is perfect.
These sentences already give you restaurant confidence.
Segment 2. Ordering drinks. Okay, time for drinks. 21. Could I see the drink menu? 22. I'd like a glass of water, please. 23. Still or sparkling? 24. Can I have it with ice? 25. Can I get a lemonade? 26. Do you have fresh juice? 27. What soft drinks do you have? 28. I'd like a soda, but no ice. 29. Do you serve coffee? 30. Can you recommend a cappuccino? 31. One hot tea, please. 32. Can I have a refill? 33. Could you warm this up a little? 34. That's all for drinks. Thanks.
Segment 3. Reading the menu. Now, let's talk about menu questions. 36. What's today's special? 37. What do you recommend? 38. Is this dish spicy? 39. Is it sweet or savory? 40. What comes with this dish? 41. Is the soup homemade? 42. Is the fish fresh? 43.
How big is the portion? 44. Does this come with fries? 45. Does it include salad? 46. Can I replace the side dish? 47. Is it sour or bitter? 48. Is this dish dairy-free? 49. Is the pasta handmade? 50. What ingredients are in this? 51. Is there anything similar but lighter?
Segment 4. Ordering food. Let's order some food. 52. I'll have the chicken sandwich. 53. I'd like the grilled salmon. 54. I'll take the soup of the day. 55. Can I order the appetizer first? 56. Can we share the appetizer? 57. I'm ready to order. 58. Can I have a few more minutes? 59. Could I get the dressing on the side? 60. Can you make it without onions? 61. I'd like it medium rare. 62. Well done, please. 63. Can I have it gluten-free? 64. No cheese, please. 65. Could you make it less salty? 66. Can I substitute rice for potatoes? 67. Do you have a vegetarian version? 68. Could you make it spicy? 69. I'll order the same as him. 70. That looks delicious. I'll take it. 71. That's all for now. Thank you.
Segment 5. During the meal.
Once you're eating.
72. Excuse me, can we get more napkins? 73. Could I have some extra sauce? 74. This is really good. 75. Everything tastes amazing. 76. The portion is perfect. 77. Could I get some pepper? 78. Can you bring some bread? 79. Could you warm this up? 80. This needs a bit more seasoning. 81. Could you bring another fork? 82. Can we get some water? 83. Could you check on our order? 85. Thank you. Everything is great. 86. Yes, we're enjoying the meal.
Segment 6. Issues and solutions. Not everything goes perfectly. Here's what to say. 87. Excuse me, I didn't order this. 88. I think this is the wrong dish. 89. I'm sorry, but this is cold. 90. There's something missing from the order. 91. Could you replace this, please? 92. I asked for no onions. 93. This meat is undercooked. 94. This is too salty. 95. Could you fix this, please? 96. I think this is overcooked. 97. Is it possible to change the dish? 98.
There's a mistake on the bill. 99. I didn't order that drink. 100. Could you take this off the check? 101. Thank you for helping us.
Segment 7, Dessert Time.
Now the best part. Dessert.
102. Could we see the dessert menu? 103. Do you have chocolate cake? 104. What's your most popular dessert? 105. Is this very sweet? 106. Is there something light? 107. We'll share. This one. 108. I'll take the cheesecake. 109. Do you have fruit options? 110. Can I get a decaf coffee? 111. Everything looks amazing.
Segment 8. Paying the check. Let's pay the check. 112. Could we have the check, please? 113. Can we split the check? 114. Can we pay separately? 115. Do you accept credit cards? 116. Can I pay in cash? 117. Is service included? 118. Can I add a tip? 119. Keep the change. 120. Do you accept contactless? 121. Can I tap to pay? 122. Could we get a receipt? 123. Thank you so much. 124. Everything was wonderful. 125. Have a great day. 126. We'll definitely come back. 127. Thanks for the amazing service. 128. Can I leave a review? 129. That was delicious. 130. Goodbye. Have a nice evening. 131. See you next time.
Segment 9, Bonus Sentences.
Here are bonus sentences for extra fluency.
132. Is this self-service? 133. Is the kitchen still open? 134. Do you have daily specials? 135. Can I see the vegetarian chart? 136. Do you offer takeout? 137. Can you pack this to go? 138. Is there a kids menu? 139. Do you have vegan options? 140. Is there a bathroom nearby? 141. Is there free Wi-Fi? 142. What's the password? 143. Can we switch tables? 144. Is this seat taken? 145. Can you recommend something light? 146. Is this dish popular? 147. Could you explain this item? 148. Can I try a sample? 149. Is there an outdoor area? 150. Thank you for your help today. Closing. There you go. 150 restaurant sentences to boost your English.
Practice them, think in English, and next time you're at a restaurant, you'll sound confident and natural.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this episode with someone who needs help at restaurants.
Thank you. We'll see you in the next episode.